And here we go with our first crew of the day coming in on approach, and is my man sunburnt? If that's a sunburn, my guy is going to feel the heck out of that one tomorrow. But welcome back, crew, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, and today we are down here visiting 79th Street. Dude, if he's sunburnt, that one is going to hurt for some time to come. So our girl's sliding off the dock. She's trying to reach over. Her friends finally got the line and gonna pull her back over, but she was just drifting off. And I thought she was gonna go in the water for a minute as she started leaning around. And the girl's just like, bro, what was she doing? But they've got her back over and she's good to go. And here comes our next crew coming in on approach. Gonna be going for 5, it looks like. And I hate it when I see people pull tubes through here. All it takes is one person to fall off that tube with a bunch of boats around and things could be a mess. But anyway, so our crew's got the nice slow roll approach going. We've got somebody up in the bow with a line ready to roll. And it looks like he goes for the pole grab. But it does appear we are starting to slide off on the stern. So our guy goes to step off, Cap winds up hitting the brakes, and we almost lost him off the front for a moment, and Cap's gonna leave the helm. But the boat's sliding off, they gotta get him a stern line over, and he goes ahead and wraps it around the pole. So there we go, so Cap will get it brought back around. And our next crew is lining up for their approach. Coming in on forward, Cap throws it into forward gear. Nobody really up in the bow to assist yet. Here we go. Oh, and they smack it off the dock. They wind up cracking the dock there as they come in. So our guy's holding onto the pole, but Cap goes back into reverse, and now we're drifting off again. Man, this pole has seen better days. You can see it split right down the middle. Somebody's literally careened this thing at some point in time. So our guy will get off on the dock, but they've already smacked it once. And I think Cap's in reverse again because it's starting trying to drift off on him. He's trying to bring it back. And there we go. He'll get it around now. So the jet boat we see here on the dock pulled in, and they're waiting to try and pull out now, but the crew that's in front of them pulled in and has had some sort of mechanical failure, and now they've been here on the dock for about 5 minutes messing with this. That's why the crew on the left looks so frustrated. It's because they just want to back the trailer in and pull the boat out, but they can't because the people in front of them are just sitting here. But don't be these guys. If you wind up having a mechanical issue down there at the dock, go ahead and pull out. Go work on your mechanical issue over in the prep area and let everybody else use the docks and just get back in line and go again. But this crew, like I said, they've been here for 5 minutes and right now aren't showing any signs of going anywhere anytime soon. So Cap coming in on approach. Gonna make his turn in. It looks like we're going for number 3. Throws it forward into gear. But nobody's up there in the bow with a line or really ready at all. So Wifey's kind of just chilling. And Cap brings it alongside, but I mean, again, somebody's got to go for the pole, somebody's got to grab a line. So Cap's leaving the helm, it looks like. She's going down below, but he quickly realizes by doing so, now he's going to slide off. So here we go, he's going to work his way back around. And now he's coming in at a pretty sharp angle. Again, he's the only one there, so he's got to get himself close enough where he can get a line over there. Or he's basically doing it for naught. So coming back one more time, going to start to kick the stern around to try and get it over. And again, going to leave the helm. Looking for a line. There we go. He's got one now. Hills the motors as he starts to drift off again. But there we go. This time he's going to step off onto the dock, and he'll be good to roll. And our next crew's coming in on approach. We got somebody standing up in the bow. And somebody else on the stern look like they're getting things ready. So he's got a little bit of assistance here. Let's see how Cap does as he tries to get this one on. So he's going to kind of pause as he approaches the dock and have to back up to try and get it around. I'm having a tough time. Okay, there we go. For a minute I was like, has he got one motor out? I couldn't quite tell. So they turn in on 3. And we get the easy step off. And this crew should be good to roll, as they're going to go ahead and try and get one wrapped around the pole back there. We've got 2 people off. Slowly starts to kick out, but here we go, our next crew coming in as well. So Cap's on the side. Trying to get it brought around. And kind of a slow day down here at the ramp has not been crazy at all. And Cap gets it alongside, goes for the reach, gets the easy grab on this one. And Wifey will get on the pole as well. And this crew should be good to roll and able to get on out of here. And this is a crazy one. We got a ton of bait fish running around down here at the ramp, all trying to get the heck out of here. And speaking of getting the heck out of here, I think we're going to get out of here as well, because I wanted to find out what's actually chasing these bait fish. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.